Watch this pussy. Hey, okay. Naruto, nine tail, fox, I feel like a Gucci ad-lib. Burr, go to the Coca-Cola, mascot.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gabriella Elena, if you don't know already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to be a part of the family. And click that little, that little bell next to it so you guys can know when I actually post. Okay? Super excited to show you guys what's all in store. I will be doing vlogs on my trips because you guys know I travel a lot and I do a lot of cool people. I did a poll on my Instagram saying if you guys wanted to see a bold lip or my everyday look. And my everyday look, I was kind of really happy about that because I was just like, I really have to do a bold eye. This is not for the naturals, even though this is a very natural look. It takes a lot of, beat down to look this natural, even for Kim K. So stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Or tell me what you guys want to see. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye. Oh, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'm always on Snap. I'm always on the gram. Follow me. Alright guys, I already applied my brows. Please keep in mind that I am a mom. So if you hear a little rugrat running around screaming, that is my handsome child. And, just letting you guys know. I already applied my brows because that is a whole situation in itself. There's a lot of brow tutorials out there. I don't know if you want a new one because I applied my brows a different way and I need them done. So I wasn't going to show you this hairy beast, and they come a long way, sis. They don't look how they used to look. Remember when I didn't have any? The glow up is real. First thing I'm going to do is take my Max Fix Plus and mist that over, and I'm going to take my primer, the Benefit POREFESSIONAL primer, and put it in my most textured areas. Please keep in mind that I already moisturized my skin. I already had my skin prep, so this is just me applying my makeup. So the next thing I like to do is apply my foundation. I'm using the FENTY Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I'm in the shade 410, and I also like to mix it with my Cinema Secrets cream foundation. I'm going to take about 2 pumps of that Fenty Beauty and dab that first in my problem area, which is my cheeks. So I'm gonna go in with my cream. This is my favorite, like my holy grail favorite foundation. Cinema Secret foundation will always be my number one. Will always be big. I'm going to take my favorite concealer, which is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Tan Sand. And I'm just going to pop that down here. I'm gonna take a Morphe brush. And this is when I really sculpt out my nose. I like to really snatch it. So I go in where the crease is at, and I bring it down. But I cinch it closer so I can have like a really snatched nose. So like right in the crease here. I don't follow the natural shape. I go right on the actual bridge next to where we put the concealer, and for it to look like it's pushed up, I put some of the contour at the bottom. Don't say I never tell you nothing, sis. So now I go back to my beauty blender and I blend this upwards here as I do on the other side. Then I just dab and create and push this right, maybe like a straight line down here, like that. So now I go back to my beauty blender and I blend this upwards here. as I do on the other side. Then I just dab and create and push this right, do like a straight line down here, like that. Pull out another Morphe brush and I just blend it right in the crease. Take that contour and just stretch it right in the crease. And I just blend right down the sides. First, I like to use a pressed powder, and I'm going to take Ruby Kisses. Don't do me, she's all ratchet. I dropped it and it like 2 of the freaking powders broke. So I'm using Ruby Kisses contour palette, and I'm gonna take a Morphe E7 brush. I'm gonna use the shade right here, and I'm going to press that underneath my eye before I bake, just so I can lock in before I use, like, you know, a yellow color, so I won't have that like white cast. My baking powder mixture that I created, and take my beauty blender, go down the sides of the nose, and bake. I'm gonna set all the areas where I get oily and where I want to brighten. I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape and put some concealer on my eyes. I'm gonna use this as base for the shadow. For the crease, I'm going to take a MAC 224 brush and use the Makeup Geek's eyeshadow in Tiki Hut. And then run that right along my crease. The next shade I'm going to use is also by Makeup Geek, and I'm using the shade Creme Brulee. It's like a matte skin tone color, of course not my skin tone, but a little lighter. And I'm going to run that through the brow bone, and I also use this for my lid color. This is a shader brush, which is more like this, that I got from Crown Brush. It doesn't have a name or number, but I know it is a shader brush. Sometimes I want to be a little sassy, and I'll just put a little, just like a little shimmer on it. And I'll use Grandstand, also from Makeup Geek, just for like a, just for a little shimmer, you know, just for a little pop. Who you fussing out? So the next thing I like to do is apply my eyeliner. I go back and forth with the NYX liquid liner, but I don't have it with me today, so I'm just going to use my Maybelline eyeliner, and I just do like, it depends on what kind of mood I'm feeling and if I mess up or not, the fleekish of the wing. Okay, I guess we're feeling a little fleeky today. Take MAC's chromographic pencil in NW25 and NC30 and run that right along my waterline. I like to use this instead of white because it's just going to give a softer, more natural open eye look. So the next thing I like to do is apply my favorite lashes. These are Lily lashes in the style Miami, because you know, I'm from Miami. Go back in the Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to take this contour color, and I'm just going to bronze up my skin. And with a MAC 163 brush, I'm going to just snatch my nose real quick. Now I'm just going to buff and blend everything in using my MAC 169 brush and my Mally Pore Perfecting powder. For blush, I'm going to use my Anastasia blush trio in the shades Berry Adore. But I'm going to take this orange shade here. This is the color Desert. Apply some blush so I can look like I'm alive, okay? Next thing I'm gonna do is mist my face. I usually go anywhere with highlighters. Today I'm going to be using Girl Lactic's highlighter in the shade Goldie. It is broken, so I'm not gonna like just open it and it's just gonna be like fall everywhere. But it's cute though, she's cute. And I place that right on the tip and bridge. The new nude little lip combo I've been loving has been MAC Chestnut, a dab of NYX Butter Lipstick in Root Beer, and my new obsession with the London's Butter Lip Glosses in the shade First Kiss. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media so we can stay turns. Bye guys.